Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp broadcast list on your phone. So if you have your data on, open your WhatsApp app. When you open your app, click on these three dots up here as shown by the arrow. When you click on it, click on new broadcast so that you create a new broadcast list. It's going to bring you to this place where you'll be able to select the contacts that you want to be receiving these broadcast messages. So you can search and add few contacts. When you add, you click on this green check button so that those contacts will be added to your broadcast list. Broadcast list is just like WhatsApp emailing service where you don't need to message people one by one. You just send them group messages. So if you click on these three dots up here, you can edit your broadcast list information, the title, delete it, or even edit recipients. So click on these other three dots to add recipients or change broadcast list name. So you can change, for my own now, I can change it to my smartphone 23 broadcast list. Then once I'm done typing, I'll click OK. You can click on edit recipients if I want to add one more person to this broadcast list. So if you want to send message to a group of people but you don't want to start sending it one by one and you don't want them to be in a group, broadcast list is the real thing to use. You don't want the people to be in a group, but you want to be sending them messages. I know some of you receive messages from people every morning. Those are broadcast messages. You wonder why every Monday morning you receive message from a particular number. It's just like an emailing service. The only way you can really know if those people receive the messages when they engage, or if you go to their private chat. Like my sisters are the ones I added to my own broadcast list. So after sending this now, I'm going to go to one of them, their private chat, and see. And you notice that the message actually dropped. So it's very, very cool for you if you have a team that you don't want to put in a group, but you want to be sharing information to them. So you can use broadcast list to achieve that. So I've sent the messages. I'm going to open my sister's chat with me. And you see, this is the message I get, and you can see this thing that looks like a megaphone. That is to show you that it's a broadcast message. So that will be all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when I post my videos. Bye.